Whisker plot practice classwork video. So the answers are going to be filled out here, and I'm just going to be explaining how I came up with the answers. So it said, which measure is the same for both comedies and drama? It was the median. If you look here, they are both the same. If you look at the lower extremes, you can tell they're clearly different. Lower quartile, this one's a little bit smaller than that one. The upper quartile, this one's smaller than that one. So the correct choice was median. They line up there. Okay, which of the following describes the shortest and longest movies in Janelle's collection? Well, the shortest movie is comedy and the longest movie is drama. Look, right here. This is the shortest movie and the longest movie is drama. So the correct choice was C. Which statement describes the difference in the interquartile range? The interquartile range for drama is approximately 7 minutes longer than the comedy. Okay, so how did I get that? Well, look here, 120. This is about 90, so 120 minus 90 is 30. And then here we have about 110 and maybe 87, so 110 minus 87 is 23. So look, you can see drama is about 7 minutes longer. So B. That was the best choice. I know some of you might have picked 10, but you couldn't argue 10 here because clearly this is maybe 87, 88 at best, so it would be either 7 or 8. So 7 would be the closest based on these choices. Okay. All right, number 4. Coach Howard created the box and whisker plot. Which statement is true? Okay. Over the half of the players are over 65 inches. Okay. You look here, this is 63, so are they, here's half right here. So no, only about 25% would be over 65 right here. Okay, the range of the data is 14 inches. No, 68 minus 56 is 12. The median height is 63. That is absolutely correct. So it should be choice C. And the interquartile range, I said that it was 5. 65 minus 60, so not 6. Close, but not exactly. Okay. Now here you had to draw your own and you had to email me these. So here, there were 7 numbers, so be careful when you're doing these. I would suggest crossing them out as you use them because some of you were only doing 6 numbers for this one, so be careful. So if there's 7 numbers, that means there's going to be 1 number in the middle, and then you have to find the median to the left here, so we cross out 1 from each end, so there's our lower quartile. And then if this is the median, we cross out 1 from each end, there's our upper quartile, and there's my median, and then my lower extreme and my upper extreme. Okay. Now with this one, once you put them in order, there were 7 data points here. So that's going to leave 1 in the middle. So it was, in this case, 12. So that was my median. Okay, then I did the cross out 1 from each end. There's my lower quartile. There's 1 in the middle. And then there's my lower extreme. And then to get the upper quartile is the median of the upper half, or to the right of the median. So we cross out 1 from each end. That gives me the upper. And then my largest number was the upper extreme. Okay, moving to the last example here. There were 8 numbers. No, there were 9 numbers here. Okay, so that, once again, odd amount of numbers is going to leave you 1 in the middle. So 29. And then when you cross out 1 from each end, that's going to leave 2 in the middle. So you have to find the average of these, which I showed you here, which is 24.5. So that's the lower quartile. And then I took my smallest number, made that the lower extreme. And then I did the upper quartile, crossed out 1 from each end. Took the average of these two, which I showed you right here, is 33.5. and I put that for the upper quartile. And then my lower upper extreme was my largest number, which was 36. So be careful when you're making your own. Make sure you count how many numbers you wrote down to make sure it matches up here, because it's very easy to miss a number, which throws off your median. Okay, that concludes our video on box and whisker plot practice classwork. I hope you have a great day.